back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one pays very, very well, anywhere from $52,000 a year all the way up to $68,000 a year. That is $1,000 to $1,300 a week, and they do not require any kind of college degree. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the description box of YouTube below. But the company Olo, they are a payment solutions company, and they are looking for a pay support specialist. This is if you want to work in their headquarters in New York City. If you're in New York City, that is fine. Otherwise, this is remote. It does say you can work remotely from anywhere in the US, so it does not look like they have any state restrictions, but this is for United States folks only. But they are just looking for a support specialist to help on their Olo Pay product. You'll need to be the knowledge center expert on Olo Pay and provide ongoing support and engagement to the customers as they adopt, use, and manage the Olo Pay products. I'm assuming Olo Pay is something kind of similar to Apple Pay, some kind of payment solution system that they are trying to get people to use. You'll be the liaison between the customer and internal departments, making sure that you provide clear and accurate guidance. You'll work with the engineering team to help communicate progress to customers related to their support requests, and of course you'll escalate any bugs reported to you by the customers up to the engineering team. Again, they do not require any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone that has 2 years experience in some kind of support related position where you embody teamwork, integrity, and excellence in service. So that is going to be any kind of customer service position where you did work in a team and your focus was providing the best service you can. They are looking for someone who has experience solving customer problems, someone who has experience following detailed procedures and program guidelines, and of course, someone who is legally able to work in the United States. Now again, if that is you, the compensation range is $52,000 a year all the way up to $68,000 a year. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific you're looking for, along with any education and experience you have. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.